right, Preston Sandlin here with Home Inspection Carolina, and hoping to bring you something of a little bit of value today. It is a preventative maintenance checklist. You can get this on our website under resources, but I'll put a link down in the in the description, so you can click right on it and download it. So this is a preventative maintenance checklist. I mean, there's a whole lot of stuff on our website. Trying to be useful and timely, and provide value of stuff you can use. And the way this is broken down, it's preventative maintenance, stitching time saves nine type sort of thing. If you take care of some of this maintenance, obviously you can prevent, some expensive repairs. And it's broken down into monthly, 2 months, every 6 months, every spring, and every fall. And I'm not going to go into every one because it'd be kind of lengthy, but I thought I would just hit a few. And then if you guys are interested, you can download it and you can use it however you like. You have my permission. If you would like to put it out in anything that you're doing, any kind of newsletter or something, be my guest. It's fine. You have my permission. All right. So monthly, a couple of things you should do. Clean out debris from the stoppers and the drains in the tub. Garbage disposal. Here's a really good one. Do this monthly. Flush out with hot water and baking soda. Lemon and lime peels will remove that stinky odor and just clean out anything in there that builds up over time. Again, monthly. Change your filters, unless of course you've got those longer lasting hyperallergenic filters. Check extinguishers if you have a fire extinguisher. Every 2 months, clean grills and your registers and your filter. So, the little grate looking thing, you need to clean those every 2 months. Clean the filter on your range hood, basically the little filter on the fan over your stove. It might be on the bottom of a microwave, or just a hood itself. But that you should be able to take it off, and usually you can run those through the dishwasher. They're like a metal kind of filter, but should clean those every 2 months. Every 3 months, clean aerators on your faucet. These are the little screens that screw onto the end of all of your, whether it's the bathroom, kitchen, under the sink faucet. And what happens is stuff builds up, especially if you're on a well, but it can build up even on city water, and it starts to sort of clog those little strainers. They just screw off, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Loosen them up, take them out, turn them upside down, take an old toothbrush or something like that, and just clean it out, screw it back in. And again, that's every 3 months. Clean debris and inspect rubber seals around the tub drain. Clean out debris of any outdoor drains or grates, like where your gutters go and stuff like that. So that's every 3 months. And again, I'm not saying every one. I've just highlighted a couple here that I thought were kind of good. Again, for the whole list, I'll put the link in the description. You can click down and download it as a PDF. Every 6 months, test batteries on your smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector, and replace. It says replace if needed. I would replace them anyway, because when they're going to go out is 2 a.m. It's like a rule. That's when they always go out and they start chirping, and it's always at 2 or 3 a.m. So I would just buy a whole bunch of. They're going to be a 9-volt battery most of the time. Some of them are AA, but the majority of them are 9-volt batteries. Just have a bunch of them in a drawer somewhere extra, and replace those so that you don't get woken up at 2 a.m. And let me give you a little hint too. If one of them goes, you might as well go ahead and replace all of them, because they're all probably the same age, and then the other one will go, and sometimes it's hard to figure out. Just replace them all. Batteries aren't that expensive unless there's a run on them. With COVID, man, who would have thought toilet paper or hand sanitizer or now I'm hearing chlorine. There's like a run on them. But anyway, sorry, digress. Change those batteries. Toilet check. For water leaks, check those flappers. The flapper doesn't seal; it'll just run continuously. because it's going down the drain and it's not filling up, telling it to shut off. Inspect interior caulking. So that's your monthly, 2 months, 3 months, every 6 months. Then it's also broken down into every spring and every fall. It's just, I could go into it, but, download the list, inspect roof surfaces, flashing, clean screens, replace if needed, uh, look for damaged shingles, things like that. That's every spring. Every fall, obviously, you want to clean out the gutters because that's leaves is falling. Um, check on your thermostat, the heat sensor, contact points, check accuracy and replace. Uh, smoke detector again, check. But that's on both lists. Check to see if it's working and if the batteries need to be replaced, which I'm just saying, do it. Fences, check for loose. Any deterioration, if it's a wooden fence, any type of moisture or termite damage, that sort of thing. And again, inspect for damaged, loose, or bubbled shingles. So again, this is a pretty good list. Preventative maintenance. There's some other stuff in here about the lawn. It's pretty good information when you should fertilize, and that kind of has a lot to do with the type of grass you have and where you live. But it's good information. So homeinspectioncarolina.com. I think it's under resources, but again, I'll have it here in the description. And thank you for watching. Subscribe would be great. It'd be awesome, and sharing is caring. So if this video can be useful to your database, please share it with them. So anyway, as always, thanks for watching. It's Home Inspection Carolina. Come back. We'll have some more useful videos for you. And thanks a lot and have a good day.